When we talk about longevity and a proven system, look, we've been around since 1972. We're not going anywhere, right? We just keep evolving and getting better. We are already protecting and empowering about 4.5 million lives across the United States and 5 Canadian provinces. And we are protecting about 140 to 150,000 small businesses nationwide. Is there an opportunity for expansion for you to create your own home business with us and really get out there and market the service? Absolutely. Our vision is to provide equal access to the liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice that every human deserves. We've been featured in Forbes, Yahoo Finance, CNBC, Bloomberg, and we have a AAA rating with the Better Business Bureau. And this is our home office in Ada, Oklahoma. We don't call it the corporate office, we call it the home office. That's how we roll, right? Our first service is Legal Shield.